for the control panel, and you can see there's a display about the voltage. The voltage right now is at 1334. Anything above 13 is good. If it is lower than 13 volt, you need to switch the batteries, or turn off the one that you are using and turn on the one that reserved. And here is the battery disconnection. The battery disconnection is the switch to connect the battery to the appliance. Make sure you leave it on. If you want to disconnect, just push this button. This one is a water pump. Anytime you want to use the water, like the shower or wash the toilet, flush the toilet, and tap water from the sink, you need to turn this on. If you don't use it during the night, turn it off to save the energy. And here's the inverter. There are several, let me see, just a microwave. There's a microwave, the stove, and also the drop down cabinet are powered by 110 volt. To use this appliance, you need to turn on the inverter. The inverter means, see, that it converts 12 volt DC to 110 AC, right, so that to power this one, this one, and that one. You can see right now it can be operated.
Neat.
All right. Good.